from Revenue and Customs, HMRC, has announced that nearly 300,000 early bird taxpayers filed their self-assessment return in the first week of the new tax year. Some 295,250 returns were filed between April 6 and 12, with 67,870 returns received on the first day of the new tax year. The window for filing self-assessment returns for the 2023-24 tax year is April 6, 2024 to January 31, 2025, and filing tax returns early can help with budgeting. People can set up a budget payment plan to make weekly or monthly direct debit payments towards their next self-assessment tax bill. In recent years, HMRC has seen more and more customers file their tax returns early. People can also check the HMRC app to see if they are due a refund. Refunds of overpaid tax will be paid as soon as the return has been processed. In recent years, HMRC has seen more and more customers file their tax returns early. Myrtle Lloyd, HMRC's Director General for Customer Services, said, "Filing your self-assessment early means people can spend more time growing their business and doing the things they love, rather than worrying about their tax return." HMRC has updated guidance on filing tax returns early and help around paying tax bills on Gov. UK here. Anyone who is new to self-assessment and thinks they might need to complete a tax return for the 2023 to 2024 tax year can use the self-assessment online tool to check whether they need to register for self-assessment and submit a return. Who needs to complete a self-assessment? People may need to complete a tax return for the 2023 to 2024 tax year and pay any tax owed if they are a self-employed individual with an income over £1,000, they have received any untaxed income over £2,500, they are renting out one or more properties, they claim child benefit, and they or their partner have an income above £50,000, they are a partner in a partnership, their taxable income earned from savings and investments is more than the £10,000 personal savings allowance, their taxable income earned from dividends is more than £10,000, they have paid capital gains tax on assets that were sold for a profit above the capital gains threshold. A full list of who needs to complete a tax return is available on Gov. UK here. Pensioners and tax pensioners are required to pay income tax on any taxable income, including their pension income, above their personal allowance threshold of £12,500. There are different ways to pay any tax owed, depending on the individual's circumstances, including, if they already complete a self-assessment tax return, they will need to report and pay via this route. If they have a Pay a Tax code, HMRC will automatically collect any tax through their tax code. Alternatively, if a pensioner does not already pay tax via self-assessment or Pay a, HMRC will send them a simple assessment summary. The simple assessment will tell them how much income tax they need to pay on the deadline, usually by January 31 following the end of the tax year. HMRC produces the simple assessment from the information it already holds, so people do not need to do anything. There is no form to complete. More information about simple assessment is available on Gov. UK here. Get the latest Record Money news. Join the conversation on our Money Saving Scotland Facebook group for energy and money saving tips, the latest benefits news, consumer help and advice on coping with the cost of living crisis. Sign up to our Record Money newsletter and get the top stories sent to your inbox daily from Monday to Friday, including a special cost of living edition on a Thursday. Sign up here. You can also follow us on X, formerly Twitter, at @RecordMoney_ for regular updates throughout the day. New, get our money news alerts on your phone by joining our daily Record Money WhatsApp community. It is important that customers let HMRC know if there are any changes in details or circumstances such as a new address or name, or if they are no longer self-employed or their business has closed. They should not assume someone else will update HMRC on their behalf. If customers no longer need to do self-assessment, they will also need to tell HMRC. Join our daily Record Money WhatsApp community here to receive alerts on the latest money news from benefits to shopping deals.